Here are 5 upcoming IPOs in India based on SEBI approved data. JSW Cement. Sector: Cement. Lead Manager: JM Financial. SEBI approval date: 6th January 2025. JSW Cement is part of the JSW Group, focusing on producing Portland slag cement, PSC, and other specialized cements. PMES Solar Tech. Sector: Renewable Energy. Lead Manager: IIFL Securities. SEBI approval date: 14th January 2025. PMES Solar Tech is involved in the renewable energy sector, focusing on solar energy solutions. Ather Energy. Sector: Electric Vehicles. Lead Manager: Axis Capital. SEBI approval date: 23rd December 2024. Ather Energy is a leading electric vehicle manufacturer in India, known for its high-performance scooters. Ecom Express. Sector: Logistics. Lead Manager: Axis Capital. SEBI approval date: 29th November 2024. Ecom Express is a logistics company specializing in e-commerce delivery services. NSDL. Sector: Financial Services. Lead Manager: ICICI Securities. SEBI approval date: 30th September 2024. NSDL, National Securities Depository Limited, is a major depository in India, providing services related to securities holding and trading. These companies have received SEBI approval for their IPOs but have not yet announced specific issue sizes or dates for the public offering. IPO investments can be rewarding, but not every IPO is a guaranteed success. Analyzing fundamentals and business potential is key. Here are 5 penny stocks in India that are notable for their performance or potential. PMC Fincorp Limited. Sector: Finance. Offers loans and financial advisory services to MSMEs. It has shown consistent sales and profit growth, making it a promising long-term investment. Cretto Siscon Limited. Sector: IT and real estate. Diversified business lines with improving profitability, making it a notable pick for long-term investors. Ajoona Biotech Limited. Sector: Animal feed and aquaculture. Strong growth in sales and profits, with potential for scalability in rural markets. Unishare Urban Infra Limited. Sector: Real estate. Focuses on affordable and sustainable housing projects, offering a strong value proposition for investors. Triumph International Finance India Limited. Sector: Finance. Recently showed a significant 1-month return of 46.38%, indicating strong short-term performance. The information provided in this video is collected from Scanner, 5paisa, Money Control, Grow, Angelman. Disclaimer: this video is for informational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. I am not a SEBI registered investment advisor. Please consult a professional before making any investment decisions. Which IPO excites you the most? What penny stock in your mind? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more market updates.